900 kilograms. Africa's biggest antelope, heavier than a buffalo, and this morning, 1,000 ticks are drinking him. Listen when he walks. That clicking is his knees, a built-in loudspeaker announcing his size to every rival in earshot. The biggest antelope is also the biggest tick farm. Folds, dewlap, ears, acres of skin he can never reach. Then, two red-billed shapes drop out of the morning sky. The cleaning crew, clocking in exactly where the money is. They divide the giant like a map. One works the dewlap folds, one the ears. Professional coverage, no gaps. The clicking knees lead us to his herd, and to the smallest member, 4 days old, learning what legs are. The crew treats the herd as one rolling client. They hop antelope to antelope down the line, and the mothers get priority, because science found ticks drain exactly what a nursing cow cannot spare, the blood that becomes tomorrow's milk. Between bird visits, elands run their own spa, the dust bath. The old bull drops 900 kilograms into a dust bowl and grinds, coating every fold in fine powder that suffocates what the birds missed. Ancient chemistry, no prescription needed. Midday drives the herd to the waterhole, the most dangerous address in Africa. The old bull drinks last, facing outward, because 40 years have taught him what the reeds on the far bank are for. Today, the reeds are breathing. The lioness breaks from the reeds through the shallow, and the old bull answers with the Eland's secret weapon. From a standing start, 900 kilograms leaves the ground, a 2.5-meter vertical that no textbook on antelopes prepares you for. Half a kilometer out, the herd slows, and the crew lands back on the veteran before his breathing settles. The clinic reopening mid-escape. That is loyalty you cannot train. If stories like this one are your kind of nature, subscribe. We film nothing else. Afternoon is nursery hour. Eland mothers park their calves together in one hidden creche under shared guard, nature's daycare, and the crew discovers the softest client list of their careers. 4 calves, 0 ticks tolerated, service with extreme gentleness. Why do the birds favor elands? Business scale. Researchers ranking oxpecker hosts found the rule is simple. More skin, more ticks, more calories. A 900-kilogram eland is the largest antelope restaurant in Africa, open all day, and it walks to work with you. Then the crew's heads snap west before any eland ear catches it, a painted wolf pack flowing through the grass in hunting formation. Africa's most successful predators, and they have marked the creche. The alarm this time is not a rattle, it is a siren. Eland mothers do not scatter, they converge. Females pour in from every direction and build a horned wall around the calves. And when the painted wolves probe the line, they meet what makes eland creches famous, mothers who charge back. Painted wolves win by mathematics, and the numbers just collapsed. A horned wall, converging mothers, and a bull the size of a small truck. The pack peels away toward easier arithmetic. The creche holds. Not one calf even saw the danger clearly. And the crew runs the post-battle inspection. They work along the guard female's flanks, where the sprint raked her through thorn scrub, clearing debris and settling raised hair. Part groomers, part medics, closing the day's accounts one patient at a time. Golden hour folds the herd back together. The calf finds his mother and drinks the milk the morning's cleaning protected. The old bull's knees click the perimeter, and the crew rides the last patrol on his back. The whole economy in one warm frame. And this contract runs far beyond one herd. Impalas queue for the same crews. Giraffes carry them up 6-meter towers. Buffalo, rhinos, zebras, every giant on this plain wakes to red-billed shapes at dawn. One profession holding an entire savanna together. We remember the standing jump that emptied a lioness's charge, the mother's wall that turned painted wolves, the knee-click perimeter at dusk. But the truth of the Grey King's 40 seasons is smaller. 2 red-billed workers who never once missed a shift. Next dry season, today's wobbling calf will stand a head taller, and red-billed shapes will land on his back for the first full service of his adult life. He will not flinch. He has known the sound of that landing since day 4. So when a nature film shows you Africa's giants, watch the backs, not just the horns. Somewhere on almost every giant in the frame, a 50-gram professional is quietly doing the work that keeps the giant in the film at all. A king who answers lions with flight physics, mothers who answer wolf packs with a wall, and a 2-bird crew that holds the whole account together. If Africa's hidden alliances amaze you, subscribe to Nature's Cleaners. They are the only stories we tell. Tonight the crew sleeps in the reeds nearby, within earshot of the knee clicks they know better than any song. At first light they will find the grey back without looking, the way you find your way home. Parters do not need maps. And when dawn comes, the clicking will start, and 2 red shapes will drop from the reeds, and Africa's biggest antelope will lower his head to graze, while his smallest partners clock in. Thank you for watching. See you at the next alliance.